So this is the ultrasonic scrubber. I just put on basically a hyaluronic acid gel at 4% consistency, and I want to push that into the skin. The lip, and it's going down, that's for product penetration. Or I should say that backwards, I'm so sorry. When you turn your machine upwards, the ramp is going up. That's product penetration. Now, you facing it down, it means you're taking negative ions out of the skin. It's basically doing the reverse. It's pulling ions out of the skin, or breaking things up and pulling stuff up, okay? So the first one's almost like you're tearing down like a tractor, you're tearing down a building. That's the one with the lip down. When you turn it up, now you're product penetrating. So I just want to product penetrate into the client's skin. So I'm going to turn it with the lip facing up. Now, a lot of you have been complaining about the noise. Yes, it is irritating. It's like 10,000 crickets, you know, messing around. So it is a little irritating. Now, no matter how thick your gel is, you can still use this on any type of gel, clay. If their client has really bad acne, you have a clay mask, you can still use your sonic scrubber. Nothing's going to stop the sonic scrubber from shaking or moving at millions of RPMs per second. And when it gets too messy and gooey like this, just wipe it off. And now we're going to ask our client to turn to the side and down to the face. Now don't worry about the acne that you just popped. It's not like it's a skin pin or microdermabrasion or dermaplaning where it can get caught on that skin that's open. This glides right on over it. Just make sure you clean your blades after you're done. And I didn't want to go super far because I only popped stuff on the cheeks and the forehead. So we're going to go back to the other side. Perfect. So don't give your client a whole facial sonic scrubber. You don't need to, unless you just want to. I only do it in the affected area that I just extracted, or that needs attention. But you can do the whole face. Okay? So we're going to stop that, put it up. We're going to take off the residue. The residue, you're taking your sponges and you're taking off the gel or hyaluronic acid. Or you can work it into the skin if you want to. But since it's a thick gel consistency, that's going to take a while. You'll be sitting on the face for a while, a long time. So you might want to just take it off. Now if you have hyaluronic acid that's 2% and below, you know, 2%, 1.5% to 1%, you can work it into the face. It's a smaller molecule and it will go into the skin. But thicker based ones, no. It will sit there forever and a day. It's too big to go into your skin. So that's why we take it off. Even though it leaves the skin shiny and glowy, it's still hyaluronic acid. So then after that, we do our serum or moisturizer or sunscreens. You can add all three, or you can just add sunscreen. You could just add moisturizer, or you could just add a serum. Serum just meaning it has 5, 6 different 8,000 other chemicals, or really not chemicals, but ingredients, I should say. That's great for the skin. That's why they're so expensive, and they're always going to be in the small bottles or jars. They're never going to be in a big, no, that would be thousands of dollars. Or you can just add a regular cream-based moisturizer, a thick cold cream, whichever you want to use to hydrate the skin. So for me, I'm going to use the CBD moisturizing argan oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, And those 3 oils, I mixed it. And sorry, did I already say vitamin E? I think I already did. But anyway, those 3 to 4 oils and on the skin. Vitamin E is always going to be your best friend for skin rejuvenation and making your skin always looking young, youthful. Argan oil, very expensive oil, but anti-aging, antifungal, antimicrobial, all that good stuff for argan. And grapeseed is a thinner oil. It's not too congestive. It goes right into the bloodstream or through the channels of the face to where you don't have to really worry about is it too thick, because some of these oils are greasy. Not this one that I'm using, but some facial oils you don't want to use because yes, it leaves your face feeling like it's super, you know, all greasy. But see, you can even see that this is even too much. You really only need a few drops, like just a few, and then you're good to go. As you can see, look nice and smooth, and oh man, this is how the skin's supposed to be. Now see how the hyaluronic acid was still in the face. This is just the residual hyaluronic acid. I didn't get the size of the face too much. That's why I say if it's a thick consistency, it will bead up. It will be like little small beads on your, like, it's not dead skin, it's actual hyaluronic acid gel because it's super thick. So make sure you take that off. I didn't properly take everything off. Estheticians make mistakes. I make mistakes every day. But that's how I grow. I get better. So it's okay. And see how, yeah. So right in here, I didn't get it. I don't know why I'm tripping. But everything else is smooth and glow, and this is what we want to see on the face. And that's it. That's all I do for a basic facial. That probably took 20-25 minutes. That's it. You get them in, get them out under 30 minutes. That's my basic facial, not yours, not anybody else. You are better than me. Everybody's better than me. I'm just showing you what I do for my treatments. I'm not that good. So looking at her face, this is what I really want to see is nice and whoop. Acne is gone. It's gonna come out through the face. And the last step I would always recommend any client is home care. Home care is so important. Tell them, hey, this is what I would recommend. We're not diagnosing. We're not giving them medicines and pain pills and, oh yeah, pop this, smoke this. No. We're just telling them that, hey, stop eating Chick-fil-A so much. Stop going to McDonald's, Chipotle, fried chicken, all that stuff. But hey, I'm not telling myself that. I know I need to because I gotta stop eating. But you show your client what you took off their face, their popped acne, everything. You show them your work to show them that, yes, this stuff came out your face. This is terrible. So then we're going to go into part 2. Part 2 is when you would actually use this machine, the ultrasonic scrubber. We're not ultrasonic, but the HydraFacial machine, 6-in-1. This is what we're going to use next.